Welcome to Atari's Commerce and Finance Coaching. Good morning, students. Here are our third video of technical analysis. So let's start our next point, that is Dow theory. Sir Charles Dow, the father of technical analysis, propounded the Dow theory. Generally, this is a very basic and more than 100 years old, but still remain the best for technical analysis. So his material is available in Wall Street Journal editors written by him. So these are the basic theories in our Dow theory. The first one is first principle is the stock market discount all information. There are generally three basic principles. The first one is there are basic some principles. The first one is stock market discount all information. Second one is stock market has three trend: primary, secondary and minor trend. So here I in this slide given a information about Dow theory. So that is see here what I mentioned. They have introduced their theory in Wall Street Journal, and their theory they given much credit to William Hamilton, so who complete these articles with relative examples even before the Western world discover candlestick. So Dow theory concept are being used till now. We are using this theory. So the fact and traders blend the best practices from candlestick and Dow theory. So next, this is a market discount of all information, that is our first principle. It is included the stock market in this discount everything which is known and unknown in public domain. So if a sudden and unexpected event occur, the stock market in this the quickly recalibrate itself to reflect accurate value. So generally there are three broad market trend: primary, secondary and minor, that I mentioned before. The next one is, that is a third principle, that primary trend has three phases. In here this primary trend, this is a major trend of the market that lasts from a year to several years. Means it included accumulation phases, participation phases and distribution phases too. Means these three phases are included in our primary trend. The next one is fourth principle, that is the secondary trend. Means stock market indices must confirm each other. So there are corrections to the primary trend. The think of this as a minor counter, so reactions to the larger movement in the market. I here given an example of correction in the bull market leads recoveries in the bear market too. So the counter trend can be anywhere between the few weeks to several months. This one is the last, that is a minor trend. So these are daily fluctuations in the market. So some traders prefer to call them market noise. So these are our Dow theory principles. Even our fifth principle, the volume must confirm the trend. In sixth principle, trend remain intact until and unless the clear reversal signal. So this is our principles related to our Dow theory, and I hope you understand it very well. Here students, I want to mention that technical analysis have three trend: uptrend, downtrend and sideways. So these trends are always used in our different charts and candlestick patterns. So it will help to indicate and study and measure our future prices of share market. So it will help to analyze this thing very easily. I hope you understand it very well. Thank you. Please share and subscribe my channel. Goodbye.